First move, the clock. So here, we are in Douceur, right? So we're gonna actually hug our partner. And then from my Douceur position, okay, I'm going to connect the ball of my foot with the ball of her foot, face to face. And then right from this position, I'm just going to make her feel like going back. And then I'm just going to make her feel like come back here. And then I'm just trying to let her connect it with my foot, okay? And then from here, I'm going for the clock, all right? For the clock. And the idea is to make her understand. So here I have my weight here. So I put fully my weight on the other leg, okay? Then no weight. At the beginning, we slide on the floor, just the time to connect. And then when we are connected, I'm just putting my foot a bit up out of the floor. And if she's connected to you, she's gonna follow. And then the feeling of doing that is original, creative, and nice.
Aujourd'hui tout est flou, c'est peut-être les coups bas que la vie nous joue qui nous ont mis dos à dos. Était-ce toi ou bien moi qui est devenu le fardeau? Était-ce toi ou bien moi qui nous a mis dans ce radeau? Était-ce toi ou bien moi qui nous a menés en bateau?
Second move, the wave. Basically, guys, if you move your foot, your knee, your hips, your chest, your shoulder, your head, you do a wave. Look, pa 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 clack. All right, pa 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 clack. What is good is that if you are in a douceur position, all right, you can do and you can take your time to do a wave that goes from your foot to your head. Take a look. I'm just here, slow music, okay, and then foot, knee, hips, chest, shoulder, head, slowly. And then I do it a bit more fluid. Boom, clack, 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 clack. And I try to make my partner feel like something is going from down to up. Here I'm here, solo, and look, just one leg. Boom, clack, 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 clack. Boom, clack, 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 clack. And then the more you're gonna do, the more you're gonna be comfortable with that. And the idea is that because you are like this, all right, just slow music, douceur position, she's gonna feel what's going on your body. It's not about leading her or pushing her, it's to make her feel what's going on your body. Right here and boom, clack, 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 boom, and shak, whoop, clack, all right? And the idea is that you have two choices. First, the follow, don't get you. So she just feel, you do it one, twice, all right? She just feel and then you pass for another move. Second option, she gets you. And then from the third, let's say the second or the third one, she feels it and then she reproduces it. She actually follow your mood. So let's say the first one, she doesn't know, you are dancing like this, okay? And then you do boom, shoo, clack. She felt it. Then let's say on the same time on the music, okay, you do it again. Boom, shoo, clack. Second one, she got it. And then if you repeat it, she can even do it with you, like boom, boom, clack. And then you are connected, all right? Third one. So this one is actually a wave. It's exactly the same, but now I want to make her do a wave. But I'm not just gonna lead a wave in a normal way. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be in that position, all right? And from here, look at my chest. I'm gonna just go in with my chest and then my belly follow. Here, in my belly follow. And then from her, she gonna feel like chest forward and then belly continue, and then it's gonna make her do a wave. Basically, if I want her to do a wave, I just need to lead her. So I'm here and I lead her a wave. But then the idea is to make it original. position, okay, Douceur position. I don't touch her. And then from that position, so I'm here, I do one step back. I'm here in that position. And then from here, chest inside. And when I do the chest inside, I invite her. Watch out. I don't pull her to me. I invite her. It means that I'm here and I just invite her. So watch out. Here, I'm not pulling her with force. I'm just bringing back my arms, which give her the energy, the intention to go forward. It's not actually pulling at all. So I'm here, and then from here, I invite her, chest inside, and then belly that follow. Chest inside, belly forward, belly that follow. And then she feels chest, belly. So from here, I'm like, da 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 da, step backward, chest inside and belly, okay? And the idea is that when you are comfortable in that, you can even do it after a saïda. Take a look, you are like this, and then you do your saïda, pa, pa la pa, and here and poof, clap. And here, the feeling is really good because the follow doesn't feel pushed to do a wave. She feels like it's natural and she feels like absorbed, all right? It feels like something happened with a nice feeling. Pa, pa la pa, and poof. It's really natural with the flow of the move, okay? I'll let you guys try it.